One thing that we wanted to touch upon was the changes that occur when organizations get acquired, merge, and some of the changes and shifts that are experienced at that time, particularly, again, around culture and the melding of the two to make sure that they all work together. What have you seen are either some best practices or things that sort of ensure that it's a smooth transition from culture to culture?
It's a big one, right? And one, I mean, it's rarely a merger of equals, to be honest, and it's sort of disingenuous to say that. And so some of it is being clear early on, are we choosing A or B, or are we creating a new C together, right? And that requires some honest discussion about who are each of the two organizations, what are their cultures, and what are the elements that we want going forward, and making sure you dive beneath just the language. I think about one client that was a massive merger, and when they looked at their value statements, the posters on the wall, they looked almost identical, right? Integrity, client focus, all of these things. One of them was people are our competitive advantage. And when you looked at the two organizations, they both had that as a phrase. It actually meant quite different things. So in one organization, having our people as our competitive advantage meant, I'm going to trust you. I'm going to give you a big job, lots of rope, let you shine. Obviously, there's accountability if you don't, but hey, have at it. Go for it. You're our best people. The other organization still very much believed people are our competitive advantage, but their interpretation was, we're not going to let you fail. We're going to put a lot of scaffolding around you. We're going to make sure we coach you. We don't give you too much so that you could get out ahead of your skis. Same value expressed very, very differently. And it's only when they were willing to have that conversation. First blush, there was a bunch of misunderstanding. I thought you cared about people. Why are you doing that to so-and-so? I thought you liked your people. Why are you not trusting them? And you had to talk about it. And they got very explicit about what they wanted them to mean in their go-forward model. But you have to be willing to have those conversations.